I have here today my learned friend, a lawyer, a property consultant as well, and the lease pending consultant. I remember when he was in Ministry of Justice, the lease pending registry was started. And then I have him today to educate us on the state of the registry. How can we approach it? Who can conduct a search? And how long does it take to conduct a search at lease pending registry? So, Kunle, you're welcome. What do you have to say to us?
Thank you very much. The lease pendens registry seeks to assist members of the public who are interested in knowing whether the property they want to deal with is subject of a pending court case. Lawyers will tell you the significance of property or the effect of buying a property or dealing in a property which is subject of a pending court case. Some courts will tell you that's like a gamble, as if you have wasted your money. And so that's why we saw the problem. And the land registry, if you do a search at the land registry, will not show whether the property is subject of a pending court case. So to solve that problem, and that was why we organized or initiated the lease pendens registry. Lease pendens means pending litigation, and that's what it means. So that's the essence of the registry.
Okay. So how will the public access this registry? You know, in the case of land registry, if you have the title number or the CFO number, you can work there and then pay through a meter and conduct your search. So how can we conduct search at lease pending registry?
The lagosleasependens.com.ng is a website. So once you go to the website, like you are supposed to register so that we can have a relationship with you. After registration, it's seamless, like a Google search, but you have some parameters, some things to look out for, perhaps the name of the proposed seller, perhaps the address of the property, some other information that would connect the property to the property that would have a bearing on the property. While you put in those parameters, after you finish your registration, it will show you some results. Then you make token payments, little payments, then the results are revealed to you. Then you can now make your decision based on that.
Okay. So can you tell us what it costs? What does it cost? Do you have to pay for registration separately?
No, the registration for now is free. But if you want to go ahead to do research, you pay the sum of 1,000 naira just for now.
It's very affordable.
Yes, very affordable. Oh. The essence is to protect members of the public from falling victims of buying property which is subject of a pending court case.
So would you say that if I put the parameter you have mentioned, maybe the address of the property or name of the property at the registry, and the name did not come up, does that mean that the property is not subject to litigation?
And for now, the registry on the database has been updated, and so it is not conclusive at the moment. But it's in the shortest time, we're trying to reorganize it and have more cases and have a system whereby it's easy. So that's why, but for now, it's not updated. So it's not 100% compressive at the moment. But in the shortest time, we hope to, within a very short time, hope to update it with backlog of cases.
Okay. Thank you so much for this information. So this lease pending registry, is it just in Lagos or you have in other states as well?
For now, it is just in Lagos. We introduced it to Rivers State, and I know they have they've gone ahead with it. We give them they came and we gave presentation and showed them how to do it. Also in Abuja, they visited us and they told us they wanted to do that, and we are assisting them in ensuring the registry comes alive too in Abuja. We hope that other states would follow suit, like Ogun State and some Niger Delta states, where you have a lot of land-related cases so that people are protected, we have more information when buying property.
Oh, that's fantastic. You are really doing, I've always commended you for this giant stride. So you have mentioned that the registry is not up to date yet. So from what you have, what's the percentage of cases you would say you have maybe in Ikeja, Island, Ekpe, and the likes?
And for now, we have like about 5,000 cases on the website. And so we hope to add more. I do not have offhand the breakdown of these locations and all that, but I know Ikorodu and Bijileki is prone to litigation. So especially Ikorodu. So when you're buying property from that area, I think you should just do some extra search, especially in respect of lease pendens, so that you don't fall victims. So, but very soon we'll have data and we'll supply that information to members of the public in respect of all the local government and some areas, so that you know, okay, these are areas that are prone to litigation, land litigation. So that's that.
So cases that are subject of appeal from the lease pending registry, can we discover that part as well?
Yes, like we are in the among other things that we are trying to introduce is a lease pendens law. The bill is in progress now. As long as the property is in Lagos State, we hope to capture it in the data. We have some appeal cases, but we have not been able to achieve much because of some hurdles, bureaucracy and all that. But we hope that very soon we're able to do that, so that the point is, or the most important thing is that the property is situated in Lagos State. And so with that, even if the matter is in the Court of Appeal or the Supreme Court, we have a system to achieve that. So we're working to achieve that with the lease pendens registration bill, which is being reviewed as we speak. And very soon we hope that it becomes a lease pendens law, so that every property which is subject of litigation, whether at the Court of Appeal, Supreme Court, or anywhere, is being brought under the registry.
Wow, thank you. And I pray that God will help you. And I think we should continue to put this forward so that the lawmaker can quickly pass this into law, because of the advantage of having all this matter. So, make available to the public to know whether the matter, the property they want to invest in, is a subject of litigation. Like what happened in Magodo, because it was a subject of litigation, people still went there, but they were not aware that the matter had gone to Court of Appeal, to Supreme Court. And now, when it happened, people were all shouting. People were all talking about it, that what happened. So it's important that everybody should know before investing in property, if the property is subject to litigation, because whatever happens, you are going to face the consequence of the outcome of the court. So, and you can never predict how it will end. So it's better. Having 5,000 cases on the registry is still massive. You may be lucky that your own will be there as well. So I think we should make use of it, and we should continue to propagate it and encourage people to do the same. Thank you, Kunle, for
Thank you very much. Thank you for
joining
having me.
this call. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.